In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an email list into Kit. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to confidently bring your subscribers into Kit and have them neatly organized and ready for your campaigns. Let's start from inside your Kit dashboard. First, look for the main navigation where you manage your audience. You'll want to go to the section labeled Grow and then choose Subscribers. This is where Kit keeps all of your contacts, so any imports or changes you make will show up here. Once you're on the subscribers page, find and click the Import button. This is the starting point for bringing a new list into your account. When you click Import, Kit will give you a few options for how you want to bring in your data. For most people, especially if you're bringing contacts from another platform or a spreadsheet, you'll want to select CSV. A CSV file is just a simple spreadsheet format that Kit can read. Make sure you've already prepared this file with your subscriber information, like email addresses, first names, and any other details you want to keep. After choosing CSV, you'll be asked to either upload your file from your computer or connect your API. If you already have your list exported as a CSV, go ahead and upload that file. If your subscriber data lives in another tool that integrates directly with Kit, you can choose the API option so the data can sync automatically. Either way, the goal here is to get your list into Kit so it can be processed. Once your file is uploaded or your API is connected, Kit will show you a mapping screen. This is a really important step. Here, you'll match the columns in your CSV, like email or first name, to the corresponding fields in Kit. Carefully check each column and make sure it lines up correctly. For example, your email column should be mapped to the email field in Kit, your first name column to the first name field, and so on. Getting this right ensures your data is clean and usable later for personalization and segmentation. Next, you'll assign a tag to this group of subscribers. Tags are labels that help you keep track of where a list came from or what it represents, like a specific campaign, lead magnet, or event. Choose a tag name that will make sense to you in the future. When everything looks good, click Finish Import. Kit will process your list, and your subscribers will appear in the Subscribers section, organized and ready for your next email.